build a huge wall. And we're gonna make Mexico pay for it. We need $6 billion. A great wall of the United States of America. And we're gonna keep the Muslims out of our country. For all their weapons. A lot of bad people. A lot of bad people. And we're gonna stop the caravans and everything bad going in our country. And it's all gonna stop by my wall. The Mexicans are gonna walk up to America and see the wall and be terrified.
What about Muslim ban?
And we're gonna make the government shut down so I can get my money, so I can build my huge wall. I need the wall. Thank you, Donald Trump out.